Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at Foreign Builds. We do have some exciting news. We got our pop-ups and seatbelts back. Shout out to L&D Solutions for rebuilding them with OEM parts. Today what we're going to be focusing on is the rear end. As you guys seen in the previous video, we did have to lift the roof up to take the pop-ups out. Today we're actually going to put everything back to how it was, screw everything back on, and yeah, stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we put together the pop-ups, we installed them back in, we pinned down the entire soft top, the frame, everything, so it's back in place just how it was. So right now we're just gonna lift this up right here, and we're gonna start working on the back, on the engine. We're gonna start putting together all the intakes, all the covers, everything that goes here. The engine cover, we're gonna start putting all this back, connecting it, you know, finishing this up so we can be complete with the back, and then we're just gonna move on to the front.
The serial ball right there.
Right there, that one?
Yeah.
Not this one. This one.
That one?
Yeah. No, it's not.
That one?
This one goes first.
Which one? There's two.
Yo, you know this Sheila weighs like 400 pounds? Look.
You gotta put that in.
No.
Alright guys, we completed everything here besides the cover, the soft top cover, and the trunk. So we installed the intakes, we installed the vents for the spoiler, and we're still working on this bad habit of putting stuff on that spoiler. We'll get better at it, I promise. And we're just gonna drop the covers on right now, and that's it. That's done for today. Alright guys, so here's what we got done today. It's getting late, so we are gonna head out. We got to basically this gap right here is not even. We gotta even it out, make it all straight all around. Install the trunk, make it all straight. Install the seat belts, and maybe put this back cover on. We don't know yet. We're gonna continue this video tomorrow and finish up the back. What is up guys? So we're back, second day. We're gonna finish putting together the back. We're gonna fix these gaps right here. It's a little bit bigger here, smaller there. So we're gonna adjust everything. We're gonna fix everything. Put back the trunk or engine cover. We're gonna get to this and just get it done.
I love my job.
Got 99 problems.
But a Lambo ain't one.